Are you giving me the right info, bro?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you know that's a felony, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know that for a fact?
Yes, sir.
They couldn't find you out in Nevada, so you probably don't have a Nevada driver's license or an ID.
They should have.
Well, I'm just telling you, they don't.
You're gonna have to drive.
Do you have your ID with you, ma'am? You mind if I see that? That's fine. Yeah. Hey, Joey, why don't you come right here to the rear of the car, please?
What?
Come to the rear of the car.
Am I arrested?
No, you're not under arrest.
I don't understand that.
If you take off, I'm gonna knock you the fuck out. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Do not move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Don't move! Don't. Control, California 4, Baker, Sam, Charlie, 566.